Wondering if embedded systems engineers are in demand? Let's find out. Embedded systems are the backbone of many tech industries, from automotive to healthcare and consumer electronics. With the rise of IoT and smart devices, the need for skilled embedded systems engineers is skyrocketing. Companies are actively seeking engineers to design, develop, and maintain these crucial systems. From startups to tech giants, there are abundant job opportunities and competitive salaries for embedded systems engineers. Demand high, but the career prospects are also exciting and full of growth potential. Ready to jump in? Upskill with specialized courses and certifications to grab these opportunities. Stay ahead of the curve. Follow us for more updates on tech careers.